The seventh step to service provider oversight requires you to lock down your contract with each service provider. What I mean by that is, no longer is it okay for you to address compliance with your service provider by simply including a provision in the contract that states, the service provider will comply with all applicable laws. That was then, that is not okay now. There are a number of specific contract provisions that you will be required to include in your contracts with service providers, not the least of which is a termination clause. The kind of termination clause that if that service provider does not correct the non-compliant behavior to your satisfaction, that you have a way to cancel that agreement. So this is very serious, not only for those of you who are issuing the contract to a service provider, but also for those of you who actually are service providers, who are providing services to creditors who are under the direct supervision of the CFPB.